What's up, y'all? It's your girl Fiona and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I recently went to San Antonio and Houston, Texas with my boyfriend Jimmy, and we had an amazing time there. If you're looking for a fun and relaxing getaway or have always been interested in visiting these cities, this is my itinerary for everything we did and ate during our trip. Bro. It's too sweet. I don't even know if I can finish this.
Do some monument.
Oh yeah, come on now. Show me the way.
Yeah. I'm about to just drink all your soup.
Babe, no. I need that for my tummy.
Pour it all over this baby right here. Fried pork chop, some rice, steamed egg right here, shredded pork. How was your food?
Damage has been done.
Damage has been done. I'm not paying you back.
Better pay me back.
She's paying for this whole trip too. She already put it on her card.
I did not agree to that.
My sugar mama.
I did not sign up for this. Wow. I want to swim in it. Jimmy bought a DJI Neo camera drone and we can't even use it. So tragic.
That's okay. That just means we'll have to find another park to use it in.
Yeah.
Let's respect the rules of nature and not disturb the peace of the wild animals here.
That's right.
This is so cool. Like, this whole riverbed gets flooded sometimes. That's why you see these pool of pockets.
Did I ruin the shot for you?
No, you made it better.
Aww.
Okay, be careful where you're standing. Hey, Slowpoke.
We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah. I think this is love.
That was pretty cool.
Don't waste that one. That's a really good one. It doesn't fit my head.
It doesn't fit my head either. It's probably for little kids.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, that's spicy.
Very spicy.
Damn, Abe, this is like your first meal of the day.
Yours too?
Well, I had a little bit of the crappy hotel breakfast.
I mean, I did too. Demolished. What was your question?
Which picture should I post on Instagram first?
That one.
Follow me on FC Chung. That was me winking.
That one. I want that one.
This one first.
That one.
Ta-da.
Picanha with the rice. Oh, hell yeah.
This took like quite a while to cook, but pretty good.
The best piece goes to her since it has a fat cap.
Thank you. I think my head is too much of a bow to be wearing a cowboy hat. Do you see all the kois?
Yeah, I do. See that? Cover your eyes.
Embarrassing. Who do you think's worst at directions?
Both of us get
But
lost
then
in the
again, we're like
wilderness.
newbies to like exploring and traveling. So we gotta cut ourselves some slack because we eventually figure it out. It just might take like a couple hours.
Found the mystery trail. Why are you running? It's too hot to be running.
Stop checking me out.
Never.
Hello. You're very pretty. Look at all these duckies in here.
Oh, that's a good biscuit.
Damn, mine looks kind of crazy. Like 3 different kinds of meat. What was it? Sausage, brisket, and turkey?
I believe so.
That's what it looks like.